Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Spiritual Guru box. This is a monthly, box of metaphysical, spiritual crystals, things like that, that will help you live a more positive life, be more self-aware, and help you grow internally inside. So each box is $49.95. It contains 5 to 7 items with over a $100 value. There's free U.S. shipping, $18 flat rate shipping fee to Canada. All other countries are $28 flat rate. I don't know if this is, so their first box when you subscribe is called the Raise Your Vibration box. And it's like a standard first set of items to help you set yourself up. And then after that, you start getting their monthly box. I don't know if this is the Raise Your Vibration box or this is their monthly box. I guess we'll find out when we open this up, but I don't know for sure. I love these boxes. I think of all the boxes, these are some of my favorite because they're just the most fun items that I really like, and they do help you, remind you about trying to feel good about yourself and wellness and just, that kind of stuff. So right off the top, I'm smelling incense. All right. Total value, $160. So here is our box insert, manifestation. Free gift, good vibes stickers, and then it tells you what we're receiving over here. So there's lots of information. Spiritual Guru crystals and gemstones. Spiritual Guru candles. So now, if you're interested in the full review, because when you unbox something like this, you're kind of going along with what you're seeing. If you want to see it all put into perspective in a blog where it's like very cohesive and coherent, I will link to that below. I will also link to Spiritual Guru box. So you can check them out. But you guys know that if you've been here before. If you're new, hi. So first we have a card. This is Arakura Blossoming card. You are just getting started, so have patience with yourself in the process and do not give up. So I guess you would collect these every month. There's a card here. There's a sticker. Sending good vibes. I think I might put that on something special. And then here are our actual items. So we have an Om on this box here. This is cool. Oh my gosh, what can I put in here? I was just thinking today, this is crazy. Now, obviously, you would put crystals or something. I'm terrible. I have so many boxes. This would be great for is, how like in pictures on like Instagram and in magazines, people are living this life where their house is so clean and there's no like little stuff. But as you can see, that's not my reality or my truth. I was like, I'm just going to get a basket and get everything that's like making everything look cluttered and throw it in the basket. Put the basket in a closet. I'm going to start with this. This is going to be the holder over. But no, this is beautiful. I love this. And this actually matches the wood in my bedroom. So you know where this is going. All right. Then we've got, ooh, this looks like some sort of a spray. I do smell incense. I see him down there. I always pass the incense on to my mom. I don't burn anything in my house because of my kids, so. All right, so this is a 1 ounce manifest spray. Ooh, it's like a clove. Not sure. Probably some sort of wood, maybe some Palo Santo. I'm not sure. We'll find out. All right. These are Satya Money incense sticks, spreading fragrance humanely since 5 decades. Earth. So there is that. Ooh. Ooh, there's beads in here. Ooh, how beautiful. I love it. Oh, now we're going to have to look at the card. And so there you do have a little, look, isn't that cool? Oh, I love it. I love that color. I don't have any beads in this color. Oh, I'm so in love. We do have a candle. This is a manifest prosperity and abundance. I'm guessing the theme of this box, ooh, it's also cinnamon scented, and it does have glitter in it. The theme of this box is abundance and manifesting money, or, whatever, success, whatever you're trying to. So what is the stone for this? What is it? Oh, ooh, and it's polished. It's like super smooth. Oh, I love it. All right, so let's look at our card. That's everything in the box. Let's look at our card and see what it tells us. All right, so we have the handmade mala bead malachite necklace. So that is malachite. Permeates the aura field with positive vibrations while strengthening the natural energetic shell. That has an $80 retail value. The orange calcite stone, this has an $18 value. The handmade cedar wood, it's a cedar wood dream box. Beautifully handcrafted in India, use your dream box to help bring intention with your manifestation by placing pictures or written goals of anything you wish to manifest. Next, place the orange calcite stone into the box to help enhance your intentions. This spray is an essential oil spray. They're known for their manifestation properties. Compact enough to take with you on the go and smells amazing. A retail value of $20. And then finally, our candle has a retail value of $22, making this have a total value of $160. And then the also we have the bonus. The incense are $6. So there's that. I do like this little stone guide here. I'm going to look at this later. I'm actually really curious. So what do you guys think of this box? Let me know down below. I really love this cedarwood box. It's beautiful. And it does smell like cedar now that I smell mostly the incense because, come on, they were like in there. But this does, it's beautiful. What do you think? Let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.